Hello, my name is Annabelle, and today I go to talk it about the city or the country that I would like to visit, and also about the city that I will not visit and why too. The country that I had wanted to visit since I was a child is India, because I'm attracted to culture, art, and architecture. On the other hand, the Indian food is very interesting. This food is made from vegetable, spice, and herbs. The typical dishes in India is the tandoori chicken. This dish is made from chicken with herb tandoori and is served from a delicious salad. Another very typical food is the naan bread. This bread is used to collect the sauce or vegetable from the dish because in India the people eat with their hands. Another curiosity from the Indian is that cows are sacred and they even a festival. In this festival the people put necklaces with flowers and fontaine with the best crafts. It's a cry to eight comes and you can go to the yard for doing it. Well, the people in the India eat with their hands because they say that food is better enjoyed that way. Very different from our country because in Dominican Republic, if you eat with your hands is about manners. I really want to know the Taj Mahal because it contains a beautiful love story where a king built that palace for his beloved or a favorite wife. South Africa, mainly the Fishboot Beach, is a place that I would not visit. And it's not that the beach or the place is dangerous for the people or other things, but that beach is full sharks wake. And imagine myself swimming in the beach, they give me terror. I know that sharks don't know attack if you don't attack it, but I prefer to avoid. And if I want to go to the beach, I don't know how to go to the park because my country, Dominican Republic, had beautiful weed and is not too expensive to visit. So thank you for watching and bye bye.